putting a salad together with the garlic sauce that I just made. So we're going to get into how I made this garlic sauce. Let's get started. In this salad, I have cucumbers, lettuce, tomatoes, and olives. Now let's get into our sauce.
Welcome back.
Before we begin, let me just remind you at the end of this video, hit my logo to subscribe if you're not subscribed to my channel. Run through of the ingredients: our garlic, 2 egg whites, and 1 cup of homemade garlic oil. We're going to mince our garlic as fine as possible. Once it is minced, we're going to start adding our 1 cup of oil, but slowly. We don't want to throw all the oil in at one time. And once it is smooth, we are then going to add our egg whites, and our parsley is going to come after. And this is what it's going to look like once our egg is added. Adding our parsley and continue to blend. Once it has continued to blend, this is what it's going to look like. Now we're going to add our sour cream and our mayonnaise and our cream cheese, and at the end, this is the end of it here, and we're going to pour and serve. I'm just garnishing with some parsley and some pepper flakes, and that is the end of this quick homemade garlic sauce. Thanks so much for watching this recipe. Do have a very blessed evening. Bye.
Thanks for watching.